In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund a game on Steam. Before we start clicking around, let's quickly cover eligibility so you know what to expect. Steam refunds generally apply to games bought directly from Steam within 14 days of purchase, as long as you've played under 2 hours in total. If you pre-ordered a game, that 14-day window starts from the release date, and the same 2-hour playtime rule applies. In-game purchases and subscriptions may be refundable within 48 hours on a case-by-case basis. Gifts can be refunded if they haven't been redeemed. And one important update, any advance access or early access playtime now counts toward the 2-hour limit. When you're ready, log into your Steam account using the Steam app, the desktop client, or by going to help.steampowered.com in your browser. Once you're signed in, look for the Help menu at the top and select Steam Support. From there, choose Purchases to see your recent transactions. This is where you'll find the game or item you want to refund. Click the game you want to return. On the support page that opens, select I'd like to request a refund. Steam will ask for a reason, such as it isn't what I expected. Pick the option that best fits your situation. There's also a notes field. Use it to add any helpful context, like performance issues or unexpected bugs, especially if you think it will clarify why the game didn't work for you. Next, choose where you want the refund to go. You can send it to your Steam wallet or back to the original payment method, such as a bank card or PayPal. Wallet refunds are often the quickest to appear. Refunds to the original payment method may take a few business days depending on your bank or provider. When everything looks right, click Submit Request. After you submit, Steam creates a support ticket. You'll receive a confirmation and can track the status from your account support area. If you change your mind, you can cancel the request anytime before it's reviewed. That's all you need to request a refund on Steam. Thanks for watching.